First thing we can understand, all the Yadavas are Vaishnavas. And to speak some very harsh word to a Vaishnava is not recommended. Correct? We should not hurt a Vaishnava. One of the 10 aparadhas, offenses to the holy name, the first one is to hurt a Vaishnava. So be very careful. We always seek blessings and mercy. We don't want to hurt anybody. We should not hurt even an ant. And particularly we should not hurt a Vaishnava. Because why? Very dear to Krishna. We should not do that. But here, what hurting? They're going to kill each other. So this has been analyzed by great acharyas. It's kind of a Brahma. See, here, it is not that we take a lesson, so we should also drink and fight with brothers, sisters. That is not the lesson. Correct? When Mohini Murti runs after Mohini Murti, Lord Shiva runs, the lesson is not that we also start running after women on the street. Is that the lesson? No. Correct? That is not the lesson. So if you look a little deeply, we can actually understand what's the purpose. When the Lord Shiva running after Mohini Murti, the purpose is be careful. Maya can make a fool out of you. Correct? That is the purpose. The purpose of the Leela is not that now you can also do that. That's foolishness. The same way here, the purpose of this Leela of the Yadavas fighting with each other, that's a separate issue. The reason is Lord wants to take them back to their positions. They have come from Devaloka or Vaikuntha Loka, they have to go back. So that is the purpose. But then there is a lesson for us. And what is the lesson for us? Do not drink. Particularly very important for coastal belt. Fish and liquor is like part of life. And now you can drink, but then you become unfit for spiritual life. What do you lose? They may say so many things. Little drink is good for health. We hear so many funny explanations. But the point is, if you do that, you become unfit for spiritual advancement. Spiritual advancement means tapasya, abstinence, vairagya. We go to spiritual life, we should be ready for vairagya. There is no spiritual life without vairagya. And the first vairagya is to give up 4 sinful habits. Intoxication, gambling, illicit sex, meat. Just like you want to clean up this room. First thing you'll throw big stones out. Then you go all the dust and you go to the details. Okay? So same way, we have to purify our heart. First thing you have to get rid of gross sinful activities. Next stage will be some subtle desires which take little time. It will not happen in one day. But gross sinful activities have to be thrown away. Correct? You understand this point? So this is what is being meditated here. So the gross sinful activities, one of them is intoxication, has to be given up. There is no question of some kind of a moderation in sinful activities. There is moderation for eating, there is a moderation for sleeping, but there is no moderation of sinful activity. No means no. Meat eating, no means no. They cannot make a joke out of it. Prabhupada said, the process of bhakti is very simple. Don't make a joke out of it. Okay? And if somebody can maintain himself from these 4 sinful activities, he can make tangible spiritual progress. Correct? This is the process which is given. It is not that I am chanting Hare Krishna, I can do anything and everything. There will be no advancement. Prabhupada said, instead of so much effort for so many years, everything will go waste if you do not follow the 4 principles. Correct? End of the day, you develop desire for sense gratification, which will be harassing the heart, and all the realizations will vanish away. That's what happens. They lost total insanity. We saw the Ajamila totally lost insanity when he saw a woman, correct, prostitute, that illicit sex. And here, he totally lost sanity when they drank. So we are not supposed to touch. No means no. Don't play with fire. And where it is. 4th year engineering college, job party means drinking. There is no job party without drinking. This is from 25 years ago. Your time also it was there? Huh? Among celebration among youth means drinking. Without that there is no point only. We went for our college, what they call silver jubilee. Crates and crates of liquor was going for 3 days. Oh boss, so much they took from home special. That is what they want to drink together. That is their relishment. This is the relishment of the society. So unfortunate it has become. So the example is that you may be even Yadava, the liquor will destroy you. So don't think you're a big person. Ajamila was a pure Brahmana. Even though he's a pure Brahmana, just by wrong contemplation. It's not the woman or not, the wrong contemplation. Prabhupada says, what you will renounce? You have to renounce a doggish mentality that you are the enjoyer. That you have to renounce. Somebody told Prabhupada, I'm not able to chant in the temple hall, so many women are there. Prabhupada said, go to the forest. He became so angry. Because he was giving opportunity to women also to practice spiritual life, isn't it? Or women can say for man. It's vice versa. Instruction. Prabhupada was very upset. He said, no. You understand? So in this world, Maya will be there. But you should always remember, actually always, Mamacha avyabhicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunana samati tyatyan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Avyabhicharena, without any break, when you are constantly involved in devotion service. Sagunana samati tyatan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. You transcend the 3 modes of matter. But what is the trick? Constant engagement in devotional service to Krishna. Doing something. Life is short. We don't have 10,000 years, 10 crore. We don't know how many years we have. Turna, quickly. Correct? That's what Shastra says. Salpam apisa dharmasya tahate mahato bhayat. That was a meditation when I was in Infosys. I thought there is no shortage of software engineers in this world. In case I don't become software engineer, the world is not going to stop. They are not more excited than me. And I was not feeling very excited anyway. I was seeing people that come from MCA, the BCA. You don't get engineering, you do BCA, then you do MCA. They also joined software companies. And they were actually doing, and they were so much eager to prove themselves. Day, night they were working. And we were quite relaxed. Oh, we are from big college. And they were doing better than us actually. So I had no interest to compete with them because something else I was interested in. They said, there are enough people who wanted to do all this. What's the big deal I will do? But Salpam apisa dharmasya, a little if I can do devotional service, that will be not only for me, for generations will be saved. Correct? That's what Prabhupada says. Sometimes Prabhupada says in ecstasy, hundreds of generations you can deliver if you become a pure devotee. It's good for me, good for everybody. And what is the thing? And that is the only thing I got, avyavicharena. Can constantly serve Krishna. Correct? And that's an advantage. That's the only advantage. There is a ICU. What the outpatient ward in ICU? Hospital. There is outpatient ward. Outpatient ward is you give medicine and go. But then you do not know whether he is taking medicine, what he is doing. You just don't know. There is a lot of risk. ICU means you are being watching him like that. Correct? So true. My job is dirty job. Whole day I have to see faults. Why is he doing like that? He should not be doing that. That's my service. Sometimes some people say, what are you doing? That is my service. I have to hold that, isn't it? It's a very bad service, but I have to do this service. What is he doing? He's not supposed to do this. What to do? To tell how to tell. So this is the reality. But ICU means that's what doctor is saying. He's seeing the faults of the patient. Oh, this is not wrong. Temperature is very high now. We have to give a big injection. Doctor's job is that to see fault of the patient. Correct? He's not seeing healthy symptoms. He's seeing symptoms of sickness. And he's acting on that. But his love is not. He has love. He sees fault, but there is love. If it can be, how to correct it. There is love. Isn't it? So that's the only thing we get. And when you live among devotees, you can rub along, your ego gets rubbed, somebody says something to you, get hurt, then you learn because you have to get used to, in the spiritual world, you're not alone. There are so many devotees. You have to learn to live with devotees. Correct? But you may say they are not pure devotees. Acha, you are Paramahamsa. You are a big Paramahamsa. No, I'm living among devotees, but they're not like pure devotees of spiritual world. As if you are a Paramahamsa. You are also an ordinary devotee. That's how Krishna trains us. Dasa dasano, dasa dasano, dasa dasano. We are not ready. Sometimes we feel why Krishna did not place among pure devotees. We are not ready now. In case Srila Prabhupada comes, I don't think we will have courage to enter. What we may do? We may do a disaster. An offense to a devotee also depends on the level of the devotee. Offense to a pure devotee is a disaster, isn't it? How much we are not ready now to handle a pure devotee. So we should not feel lamentation. Adbhuta karmana. Krishna is a wonderful actor. Whatever he does is so wonderful. So we should not complain, okay, Krishna put me in association of devotees, but not pure devotees. I read this is the best you can handle. Adbhuta karmana. He is a wonderful actor. Isn't it, Mataji? Sometimes you feel like that. Why Krishna put me in association. Krishna, I thank you very much, but not pure devotees. That is what is best for you now. See, jo hua, acha hua, but acha aur ho sakta tha, but we were not ready. If you were very sincere, Krishna would have given more better association, but you cannot handle it now. What you can handle, Krishna gives. What do you say? Isn't it? To the degree we can handle, Krishna gives us mercy. Krishna doesn't give more that we can handle. That I told you the famous joke, no? Prabhupada is traveling in the train. Some people came to Srila Prabhupada, then gave us blessings. So Prabhupada said that, okay, I called his disciple. You see, I blessed him. He is from America, he became a brahmachari. I blessed her. She is from America, she became also one devotee. This is from Australia, this is from Japan. See, I blessed them. So, what blessing do you want? No, my Swamiji, backache is there. No, that is not real blessing. I'll give you real blessing. He got scared. This blessing, the Swamiji will do some mantra and I will also leave everything. He ran away. So people don't want real blessings, correct? People want some back pain, some this pain, that pain. That is what people desire. Vairagya vidya nija bhakti yoga sikshartameka purusha puranaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Shariradhari Kripamadi Vastaham Prapadhe. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave Vairagya vidya. What nonsense is Vairagya vidya? When you feel the ecstasy in chanting and dancing, where we feel interested. And Bharamudhvato Vimudhan. What are the peoples? So much anxiety. So much anxiety. I was just seeing the picture of recently brahmacharis. I was just analyzing with them. Very nice picture over there. Just 10 brahmacharis sitting all smiling like here. In Europe or maybe Russia where preaching is going so wonderfully. So I was just analyzing. Brahmachari means he has no personal account. He doesn't have one paisa with him. That is actually a brahmachari. And he is totally helplessly dependent on the Lord. That's all. That's what gives the smile. There is no anxiety now. He just surrendered. That's a brahmachari life. And grihastha life means, what is the shloka? Striya, man and woman. Pumsa sriya mithuni bhav metat tayor mito hridaya granthi ahu aha atah griya kshetra sutapta vettai janasya moham mumeti. Taken a pumsa sriya, man and woman come together. Then what happens? Mithuni bhav metat. They come to enjoy together, have some time. Then tayor mito hridaya granthi ahu. Moment they meet together, not in the heart. I am yours, you are mine. Not. Hridaya granthi ahu. Then ata griya kshetra. Then they want a house, they want privacy, like brahmacharis. So many are coming. I say, okay, you can lie down there, no problem. Same room, 2 are there, 3 are there, 5 are there. In fact, they're very nice devotees. I showed my room. I said, how many can stay? 10 can stay in this room. This is actually a brahmachari. Brahmachari doesn't mean I need a private bathroom. That's not brahmachari. That's the grihastha. Brahmachari means 20 can lie down here. That's brahmachari attitude. So, but so many things keep adding. Griha, kshetra. Kshetra means we need now a means of livelihood. Gata Griya Kshetra Suta. Suta. Suta means now children's. Apta, friends. Vittai. Money, money, money sweeter than honey, honey, honey. Because for all maintaining all this big band, you need money. So that is so complicated. Ata Griya Kshetra Sutapta Vittai Janasamoham Aham Vaveti. So this is what we see. We went for a very small thing, but we ended up putting such a big effort. Such a big effort. There was once one brahmachari told Prabhupada, Prabhupada, I want to get married. Prabhupada said, that's okay. But you get married, you have to do this. I was a married man. Prabhupada said, I had so many children. So married means you have to do this, then you have to do this, then you have to get your wife. The wife sometimes falls sick, you have to go to the hospital. Then you have to take care of children, and you have to get them educated. You have to train the children, and then after that you have to see they get good education. Then you have to get them good employment. Then you have to get them married. Prabhupada just say because he has done it. He was telling the list. Then after hearing all that, he said, better I remain brahmachari. Prabhupada, that is intelligence. That is intelligent. He started laughing. Isn't it? Society, sometimes there is this society sometimes some people meet us, Swamiji, why you didn't marry? It's not compulsory. But people generally feel that unless I go through this, I cannot get vairagya. Yeah, by hearing also you can get. Everything we don't have to experience. Like Prahlad Maharaj, 5-year-old child, what is saying? Yanmayatu nadi grihamedi sukam hitocham kanduyanena karayori vadukka dukkam tirpyanti ne kripadam mahudukka bhaja kandutivam manushajam vishaheta dhiraha. How does he say? The enjoyment of the grihasthas, I spit at that. Thu. Mathun means sex life. I spit at that. Thu. How can he say that? He has no experience, only 5-year-old child. By hearing. You need not learn everything by experience. And then, how much for that little pleasure, what price you have to pay? Oh my God. Oh my God. That's a liberation. Therefore, devotee marries Sankirtana, brahmachari marries Nama, marries the holy name of the Lord, and makes holy name of the Lord his life partner. Correct? And just chant. And holy name enters the core of his heart. Hridaya Granthi, instead of with the woman, becomes with the Lord. Saved. Life is Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Then Purna Shuddho Nitya Mukta Abhinatvam Nama Namina. Instead of realizing in the life beauty of a woman, which is actually false, which is flickering, which is cheating, for a woman man, for a man woman, he realizes the real beauty of the holy name. Then he doesn't need any other beauty. Nama Chinta. That is the goal of self-realization. Nama Chinta Mani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. And then Purna Shuddha Nitya Mukta Abhinatvam Nama Namina. It's not one day effort. This takes time. This is where the focus should be. Krishna has very kindly today appeared in front of me in the form of the holy name. So kindly, mercifully has appeared in the form of the holy name. Let me just receive this holy name with respect. That's all. And hear. And as you hear, then spiritual life takes firm footing, and then the vehicles start moving. Then, correct? Then we get realization, we get darshana, we get tushti, pushti. What is this? Shuddhapayaha. That's an analysis given. So similarly, when we take to Krishna consciousness also, similarly sushti, pushti, shuddhapaya happens. We become nourished, tushti, we feel total satisfaction, and hunger is dissipated. So spiritually we feel nourished, we feel very happy, and our hankering for material desires vanish away. Negative thing goes away. Positively he is nourished and he is blessed, and hunger is gone away. No material desires. He feels so happy. What a liberated life that is. And how we look at the situation in society today, what life people are living. Is it liberated? No. It's very difficult. Correct? There's so much dragging unnecessarily. Just like Vedavyasa said, unnecessarily they are suffering. There is no need. Unnecessarily people are being dragged by material desires. So this opportunity is with us. But it's not 1 second affair, it's a very serious affair. The first thing is that we should keep some time every day. Wear fresh clothes, get up after sufficient rest, which is 6 to 8 hours. No, don't imitate Prabhupada. We should not go to level Prabhupada was there. And that's what happens, Prabhupada sleeping 2 hours. Yeah, try. One day you try. You'll go mad. 2 hours, just sleep at 10, get up at 12 and start working. And with working, not sleeping. Continuously working with energy and ecstasy. Imagine how the heart, can you just think about it? How much the heart should be full of ecstasy and happiness to even just do that? Can you just even conceive of that? We cannot even touch that consciousness. Feeling bliss and feeling great compassion for the people who are suffering. But the love is feeling what can be done. So that will be so fortunate if we can become a person like that. So fortunate. This is the hero for us. This is the ideal for us. What we make hero and ideal, a person in the world just for his own selfish personal interest destroys his whole life and the life of others. Correct? That's what you see. What do you say? Collect certificates after certificates after certificates, become big, have big ego and disturb others, disturb himself. And here is a person working with love and compassion for the whole society, in touch with Krishna, being dictated by Krishna every moment what to do. So the great Acharya should become our ideals of life. That is what we should try. Krishna, help me achieve it whenever possible. I do not know today, maybe million years, maybe million verse. This is what I want to be. Correct? Sometimes they say everybody needs a role model, isn't it? Without role model, you cannot live. Everybody needs what's the role model we are having in society today? Very unfortunate. Role models are cricket stars and film stars. They are entertainers. Entertainers mean Shudras. They are giving the 4th class respect in the Vedic culture. Not first class, second class, third class. First class is Brahmajanati Brahmanas. Second class is people giving administration. Third class is people creating resources. They are doing nothing. They are all Shudras. And they are the heroes of society, role model, idols. Why? Because they are all daksha in enjoying sense gratification. We also want to become another kind of daksha. Nikunja yono ratikeli. Nikunja yono ratikeli. Dai yayali viyuktirapekshaniya tatra vidaksha ativalabhasya vande guru shri charanaravindam. So this kind of daksha we have to become. This kind of daksha, this daksha. What kind of daksha? Nikunja, in the Radha Krishna Leela, we have become expert in assisting in that Leela. This daksha we want. What is this? All dakshas of this world. Expert in enjoying the senses. No. So let us not be interested in that. Let us take serious interest. These are the role models. And it is not going to be one. Bahavo jnana tapasa. It will be many lifetimes of knowledge and renunciation to be able to achieve that position. It is not one day effort. It takes many lifetimes. What do you say? You were reading, no? The Lakshmis, the chance they got to become wives of Krishna after many, many verses of tapasya. It's not. So to become an associate of Krishna, a confidential servant of the Lord, takes many lifetimes of winning the trust of the Lord. True, you can become in one moment, but that's extraordinary mercy. Standard in many lifetimes. Sincere, where is of sincerity. Then Krishna is pleased. Okay,